Hey,
So,
good to see
so
you.
good to see you. No worries. Yeah, no, they're just members of the community that have a passion for gardening. They have a large garden set up already. There's a little greenhouse. They've got chickens.
Okay.
They wanted to bring someone who is passionate about the science of it, take them in a little bit of a different direction. So that's they said they wanted to bring the young blood. Apparently, I'm the young blood, but
I love it.
to get
So I
that
think I
stuck
think
in.
what's key is to recognize they're all volunteers. Number one. Every time they gather and that you're hosting, you're the host, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your host, be gracious. Focus on honoring them, thanking them for being there, and honoring their contribution. Highlight contributions and thank individuals. Like that's the thing is like if you recognize like this has been an incredible week. I'm so happy. I don't know if you guys have known, but that whole front area, that's Todd. Everyone like let's give a hand of like have them celebrate each other and you'll get more buy-in and you also get people feeling valued because it's work. You're asking them to do work, you know? And so I think that the way that you transfer enthusiasm, especially when you're meeting new people, is a thank them for what they've done and honor what they've created. Like recognize that you're stepping into this thing they've gotten going, and like you said, you're the young blood. I love that. Step into that. Like show that gratitude and honor the work they've done and be like I love this part of what you've done, I love that part of what you've done, because you're talking about individuals and at this point you might not even know which individuals when you're pointing out I love this, I love what you have all done here. You're touching the hearts and hands of different people in that group right there. And so I would talk like about that, and then I would talk about your vision for what you think, what you think that they wanted you to contribute the science, and talk about how you hope to really bring that and how you're excited to bring that. And what's amazing is that when you say those kinds of things, when you're planting seeds, and so you're planting seeds of expectation, and they grow within you and in the other people. And so you're a making a promise of a sort, but it's also beginning that relationship and being like I'm ready to give, and you've honored them, and so they're going to be giving their time, they're going to be giving their attention, and it's that relation. I what could can you get them any semblance of like a party? Like if you can get like drinks and like small snacks and like something like that, that also helps a lot because when people eat together, there's a bonding experience. So if
It's
you can,
actually a party for the lady that's I'm replacing as well. So like that's combined. So it's like it's farewell to this person and welcome me in there. So yeah, there'll be a party happening today too.
yeah, that's so perfect. And I think that I mean this is even more perfect about the whole honoring thing. Yeah, focus on the person leaving as much as you can. And my dad, when I was growing up, he told me never to take credit. And he was like always like put it out there, always honor the people, who are been like when he because he was a manager. He's like I always credit the people below me. They tell me I'm doing a good job. I'm like well it's really this person and this person, and you pay it forward, and that really that's how you build community, and you build morale and get more people to buy in deeper.
So thank
All
you.
right.
Yeah.
Any follow up questions? Hey, it's great to see you.
I know. I'm back. I'm back. There's a lot happening this week. I'm writing this in the next 5 minutes. My financial advisor is talking to the vendor of that plant shop as well. So that's pushing forward. So I'll have a base where I can sell plants and sell soil solutions and all of that. Fingers crossed
Wow.
that goes well.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Yeah, yeah,
Wow.
it's
So full
big news.
circle. This is so full circle.
Yeah.
Do you mind sharing with everyone, a little bit of your story about regenerative soil and all that?
How I came across you guys. Yeah, well, Melbourne, as you know, was one of the most heavily locked down cities in all the world during the COVID era. It didn't sit well with our family and that, so we kind of fled to the countryside and found ourselves living on a 3 acre hobby farm, not knowing anything about farming. I came across permaculture through Noosa Forestry. I did a PDC with them online, and I did all of that, but nothing grew. And I was like, why is this happening? There's something wrong. I've done everything they said. And then I discovered GMAT. So actually my husband introduced me to one of the R soil conferences. And so I
Wow.
signed up for that in 2022. And yeah, been a lurker of all things Matt Powers for since 2022. Yeah, took it to heart, started working on my own place, brought someone else in to help me with that, ended up going into the community garden side of things, installed the greenhouse, 4 greenhouses across East Gippsland that are producing, apart from my community one, like I said in the group, but I'm gonna sort that out. I'll get some people installed in the area that can take over that part. And then yeah, now I'm doing it again. Started voluntary for one community center. And then today I've been hired to do it in a paid capacity, as well as trying to buy this business as well. It's been interesting. I loved regenerative soil. I took it on the road even before I started with the microscope. Before you'd even written the course, I was promoting it in the back in the behind the scenes, going, "Yeah, everybody get on board with this. This is going to be amazing. I've got my microscope already, even though he hasn't written the course yet." And I took it all across Australia with me. And yeah, I'm actually a paid speaker now, which is amazing considering how the first time I was on one of yours, I didn't even have my camera on. I was terrified to talk to anybody. But yeah, so yeah, they're paying me to teach people about the microscope. So well done. You've done a fantastic job turning me into that. So I'm amazed at
Crystal, you did
what
all
can
the
be
work.
achieved.
You did all the work. You're amazing.
Thank you. Yeah,
Congratulations.
no,
Oh man.
I wouldn't
Oh,
be here if it wasn't for Matt's unstoppable enthusiasm, and I actually have that book as well. I've read it a few times, so
oh, much love. Thank you so much, Crystal.
very welcome.
Oh man. So folks, yeah, we have amazing people in our community here, and I just feel so honored to be with you today to share these things. We have spent 4.5 hours together.